87 species in genus Clethra. July 11th. Clethra, the sweet pepper bush, defines July 11th. Clethra represents sweetness and endurance. You have a gentle yet persistent nature, leaving a lasting impression on those you meet. Like its fragrant blooms, your kindness lingers long after you've left. The sweet scent of summer, my journey with Clethra. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the subtle beauties of the natural world. While roses and lilies may command attention with their vibrant colors and showy blooms, I find myself captivated by the more understated elegance of plants like the Clethra. These flowering shrubs, often known as sweet pepper bush, possess a charm that speaks to my soul. It's not just their delicate blossoms or the intoxicating fragrance that fills the air on a warm summer evening. It's the way they quietly enhance their surroundings, offering a sense of serenity and grace. I first encountered Clethra while wandering through a local arboretum. It was midsummer, and the air hung heavy with humidity. As I rounded a bend in the path, I was met with a wave of sweet perfume, a scent reminiscent of honey and spice. Following the fragrance, I discovered a grove of Clethra shrubs in full bloom. Their slender branches were laden with racemes of delicate white flowers, each one a tiny masterpiece of nature's artistry. I was mesmerized. Since that day, I've made it my mission to learn everything I can about this fascinating genus. Clethra, a member of the Clethraceae family, encompasses a diverse group of around 70 species. These hardy plants are native to a variety of habitats, from the woodlands of North America to the slopes of the Himalayas. A world of Clethra, exploring the species. The diversity within the Clethra genus is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why Clethra matters. Clethra plants are more than just pretty faces. They play a vital role in their ecosystems, providing food and shelter for a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and moths. Their late summer blooms offer a crucial source of nectar when many other plants have finished flowering. Beyond their ecological importance, Clethra plants also offer a number of practical benefits. Their strong root systems make them effective for erosion control, and their ability to thrive in moist soils makes them ideal for planting near water features. Cultivating Clethra. Tips from an enthusiast. Growing Clethra is a rewarding experience, and I encourage anyone with an interest in gardening to give it a try. Here are a few tips I've learned along the way. Choose the right location. Most Clethra species prefer partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Provide adequate moisture. Consistent watering is essential, especially during the first year after planting. Prune for shape. Clethra can be pruned in late winter or early spring to maintain its desired shape. Be patient. Clethra may take a few years to reach its full flowering potential. With a little care and attention, Clethra plants will reward you with years of beauty and fragrance. A continuing fascination. My journey with Clethra is far from over. I continue to be amazed by the diversity and resilience of this remarkable genus. Whether I'm exploring a new species or simply enjoying the sweet perfume of a familiar favorite, Clethra always manages to bring a sense of peace and wonder to my day. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and that even the most understated plants have a story to tell.